Welcome back to Add Art. In today's lesson we're going to be drawing some Pokemon. Now this has been requested by a number of children, so this one's for William and Alex and also Jake. So let's make a start, shall we? First we'll start with Pikachu's top of his head there, into one of his big pointy ears. They're a bit like sharp leaves. Let's colour in the end, otherwise I'll forget. He's got quite a round head. So let's just do a circle. And that up to where his other ear will be. We'll just do the start of his ear. We won't do it all because Eevee's ear will stick in front of that. So let's do his nose. Put some eyes in. He's got big eyes. Two eyes. They tend to have these kind of double reflections in the eyes. A lot of sort of anime, Japanese cartoons. The mouth in and the tongue. He's got these big red cheeks as well, so we'll put those in. He's always quite happy, so Pikachu here jumping. Come down to quite chubby little legs. Back up to the other arm. Put his little feet in. And along the other side. So we'll start with Eevee's head. Now she's got a slightly different shaped head, kind of comes down and then out, like she's got big cheeks, and it's a bit squarer than Pikachu's head. Comes back in like that, and she's got this kind of fluffy neck. She has more like a small nose. She has these kind of oval eyes rather than round. And again, we'll put those sort of double reflections in. Smiley mouth. Her ears in as well. She's got big ears. They're slightly different. They're more kind of angular, more like diamonds than Pikachu's. Some shape on the inside there. Some fluffy hair. She looks a little bit like a rabbit. Sharp diamondy shape there. Finish the head off. Let's put the legs in. Looks like a little fluffy dog as well. She reminds me of my sister's dog. Okay. And the back legs sticking out there like that. The other side. The main characters are looking quite good there. Let's finish this arm. Now we know where Eevee is. We can continue that ear behind. Colour it in. The shadow underneath them. Feel like they're grounded in the scene. Now, somewhere for them to be. done that slightly curved so it feels like the edge of the earth a little bit. Put a path in, they're often going off on a journey somewhere in each episode of Pokemon. Let's put one of Ash's Pokeballs here. That's like a circle, another little circle, a band around the middle. Now I've drawn this with Pikachu's tail hidden behind him. You can always draw his famous sort of lightning tail sticking out to the side. Let's put these mountains in. Perhaps Mewtwo's hiding in these mountains and they're trying to find him. Some craggy areas on the mountain sides. The mountains off and put some snow-capped areas on the top there. Some more craggy lines. Like sunshine in the distance. Put some flowers in as well, just to balance it up on the side. Stalking petals. Just do a little one behind that as well. Leaf just behind. Make the grass on either side look manicured. These straight lines. You know, when the Pokemon battle, they often have lines behind them as they fly through the air. And there we have it. There is Pikachu and Eevee. That's our drawing done for the day. I hope you enjoy colouring that one in. Just remember to subscribe if you want to see any more ad arts that I'm doing. And if you've enjoyed this, give me a like, that's always appreciated. And if you want to make a suggestion, like William and Alex and Jake, then get a grown-up to leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and maybe I'll pick yours to do next time. And that's it for today. Bye for now, and I'll see you again.